Hello stars, welcome to another practical video. These are the AVR programmers that I've been using for years. The problem is that they no longer work and are very old. This is the newest one I used 10 years ago, but I tested it and it doesn't really work. Most people prefer to use Arduino because it is very easy to work with, and I decided to make a programmer using this Arduino. In another video, I explained how to install a bootloader for a microcontroller and program it using Arduino and use it. So why do we need to make a programmer? To build products, we need to protect the program in memory. To do this, we need to emulate the fuse bits inside the microcontroller. However, this is not defined in the Arduino software because Arduino's policies is based on open source. So in this video, I will make a programmer to lock the microcontroller memory. This circuit you see, except for this Arduino, is the same programmer circuit that I tested, and now I will put it on this board. So stay with me. This programmer has a zip socket that I wanna remove and use in a programmer I'm gonna build. While I'm doing this, please like the video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It was a bit difficult to remove and I had to buy one. You also need these line pin headers to solder the Arduino upside down to the board. Let me do this. Alright guys, now you need to connect the Arduino to the laptop and open the Arduino software. You can see that the lights are on. Open the Arduino as SPI program from the examples section and upload it to the Arduino. Now we need to insert the microcontroller into the ZIF socket. We release the top 3 pins and insert the microcontroller into the 4th pin and lock it. Well, before continuing, I'm gonna introduce the video sponsor. This video is sponsored by PCBWAY, a leading company in the production of various types of PCBs, including flex and the rigid flex PCBs, and even UV printing technology. They also offer CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding services. You can place your projects online and they ship worldwide within 24 hours. For more information, go to their website, which is specified in the description section. They have been supporting this channel for over a year. Thanks to them. We need the AVR DUDESS software. We open it. First, set the communication protocol on the Arduino as ISP. Then select the correct port. From here, you can select the chip you wanna program. This section is for reading and writing flash memory. And this section is for reading and writing EEPROM memory. This section is for setting the fuse bits, with the help of which you can protect the microcontroller memory. Just enable the fuse bits LB1 and LB2. You will see that its value has changed to 0xFC, and then press the right button. Work with this software and you will learn what to do. But let's read and write a microcontroller program once. If you have selected the correct chip type, when you click the detect button, it will show the chip name. but sometimes it doesn't show. Don't worry, it's not a problem. To read a microcontroller memory, you need to set this section to read mode and select Intel hex format. Give it a path and click the Go button. I had to change the file name, but as you can see, the hex file was extracted. To write a hex file, just select Write and select the desired file and set the format to auto. Then press the Go button. Alright guys, another project is finished. Thank you for watching until the end. The circuit diagram is in the description. Please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed so far, hit the subscribe button. See you later.